Since it's my birthday week, folks, I thought I would show you inside my bedroom. It started out in 2000 as my bedroom. And then a decade or so later, I gave it to my daughter when I had to go down into the basement because my knees blew out and I couldn't do the stairs. So I moved my bedroom to the basement. And I moved her up here in this big room. She was a young teenager. She needed a nice big room with a walk-in closet. So I asked her, I said, we're going to repaint. What colors would you like? She said, pink and purple. So the trim is pink and the walls are purple. I had some really gaudy wallpaper that when I moved in, I just happened to leave on one wall and the other walls were painted white. Well, needless to say, she moved out, she married, and I moved into the pink and purple room. I was going to repaint it, but I really like it. And you know why? I really like it because when I was a teenager, my grandpa asked, we're going to paint your bedroom, what would you like? And I said pink and purple. I never told my daughter that. We just both wanted the same thing, round about the same age, which I found interesting. So anyhow, I had a bunch of framed artwork that I wanted to hang, and I wanted to do like a gallery setting in my bedroom. So excuse the light on this art experience of this carnival horse. You're picking up my outdoor picture window right behind me. But they were giving away when my son was looking to go to college. They were giving away posters. Or did I get this out of the mall? I'm not sure where this came from actually. But I had a good friend. He framed it for me and bought the glass. This other painting, which happened to be my son's favorite, it reminds me of either Ireland or Scotland or Wales, of a castle and a sheep. It belonged to my grandmother. Let's see if I could get closer without juggling the camera too much. No, it's going to pick up the picture window glare. Anyway, I'm uploading a video right now and it's taking forever, so I thought I would show you this. Now this was my son. I love lighthouses. So one year for my birthday, he surprised me. Excuse me, I gotta prop my neck up, it's hurting. He surprised me with a lighthouse, and this was his rough drawing. And I love Betty Boop. So he took the rough drawing, and then he did the final artwork, which I had framed in the same frame. And I told him, I said, I need the rough drawing that isn't colored, because I like both. And I couldn't choose, so they're both there. My daughter, when I was in the basement, because I couldn't get to my garden, she took a few pictures of my garden, and they're in those little white frames, except for this lighthouse here. It's another gift from my son. He did this for me years before he did the Betty Boop one. I found this lighthouse in like a Zeller's market, which is it's like a Target, I suppose, of a lighthouse. It's not very costly, but you know, sorry for the jingling around. It's very cute, and I love it. I really do. And this was the other picture of my garden, and I had tulips blooming that I couldn't see because I couldn't get outside to see them in my garden. I was sort of landlocked in my basement for almost 7 years, folks, due to knee problems. They wanted to do a total knee replacement on both. And I said no, because I was only, I think, 46 at the time. But I had worked very hard, down on my knees, and I decided no. At that particular time, 10 years was, the going rate for knee replacements. So I'd be in my 50s, and then after that, they don't have any more bone to screw into. Not really. And to get another knee replacement? No. So I went with the little bird that was, talking to me. And it said, no. Go down, do your little Farmville, maybe write a novel or two. I wrote 4. I wrote 4 novels while I was down there over the years. And I cooked down there. I had a little cook area set up down there. And there's a bathroom down there. So I was all set. I could cook for the children. I could do all the things. I could go up the stairs maybe once every couple of weeks. I could still do the grocery shopping as long as one of the children went with me and hang on to the buggy. But I thought I would just show you this, a little FYI, into a pink and purple room. Now it's time to go outside and have a look at the garden because I need to water things. Have you ever left your potatoes in too long where they started to re-sprout, re-chit on themselves, and regrow a new potato? Well, that's what mine are doing. So, I think it's time to harvest some potatoes out of here. Yes, I do. We're gonna need both hands. So far, there's a few more in there. Let's dump this out and see what I've got left over. Let's see what's in this bucket. Lord only knows. Let's check it out. I need both hands. Okay, I wasn't even recording when I dug those up. Oh, for goodness sakes, Laura. Gotta hit the record button when you pull a potato out of the dirt. Silly woman. Okay, I'm gonna dump this out.